Hi, this is Miguel Celo from LCCB Grade 10 St. Jude, and this edition is called Cooking My Pancit Canton. Step 1, get your cooking pot. And step 2, pour some water in. Step 3, turn your burner in medium heat. Step 4, pour your noodles in boiling water and set aside for 3 minutes. While waiting for the noodles, put the seasonings together in a plate.
Basta pag-ibig ay magdadala sa atin sa tagumpay. Salubungin natin ang strong local teacher ng Davao.
Step 5, strain the noodles.
Ngunit lumaki siya sa Fair Arts, California. Isang guro ang kanyang ama at optometrist, assistant naman ang kanyang ina. Scholastic achiever at naging
put it in the plate.
University of Notre Dame. Dito nakapagmarka siya.
That's all. Thank you.